Okay, so dear friends, again I'm here to share with you how we actually prune our falsa plant and how we use its cuttings for replanting our falsa. You can see this falsa plant behind me, and you can see that it's growing taller. However, there is less chance of the plant to become thicker. So in order to help my plant grow thicker, I am going to prune it right here so that new shoots appear and I can use this. So you can see this is how I have pruned. Now I'll be cutting these in a little angle, and you can see I have also angled this, and I'm going to trim these off, which I'm going to bury because we have to keep one node at least for our plant. Now this one is a discarded one because it's too thin. It should be a pencil size, at least pencil size thickness of the plant, and I'm going to trim this off. I can even trim this one off, and I'll just leave. And this is my stem which I'm going to transplant. And you can see the plant here. Actually, you can even trim these off so that the plant grows back in the next season. So this is how it is. You can have a closer look how I pruned my falsa plant. This is the plant which I pruned. So it's going to grow back in the coming season. Now moving on, I'll show you how I'm going to actually plant this stem. Okay, so dear friends, this is my stem cutting which I'm going to waste, and this is the stem cutting which I have, which I'm going to use. You can see the thickness, it's quite thick. Now there are two ways to, rather three ways or maybe many ways you can actually help your stems grow. And one is this rooting powder. If you can see closely, I'll be using this rooting powder. If you do not find it or you do not want to use it, you can also use some honey and dip your stem cutting till here in honey, and you can plant it. So I'll be using this rooting powder because I have it, and you can see I'm just dipping. My stem is not wet. I'm just using this and I'm inserting it in my pot, and I am pressing it. And you can see I have dug almost a node in the soil, and this is going to help it grow back. Okay, so this is how it is. Now let me show you the other ones which I have. These are the ones which I did yesterday, and you can see the thickness. They are fine with the thickness, so I just did it for an experiment. However, these are my